Hello. When in comes to stay, magic E goes to play. This turns up a lot. It will be either in the closed test or the spelling. When in comes to stay, magic E goes to play. So what this E does for the hop, so take that E off. Oh, we can actually rub it out, can't we? There we are. Now that says hop. If I put the E on, it goes hope. That goes oh. Now, if I take the E off, it would say whack. So you wouldn't quite spell whack like that. But you add the E on, it says wake. It says its name. If I took the E off, it would say ris, which again isn't a word. But add the E, it says rise. It makes the letter, the vowel, make its name. That's what magic E does. But when in comes to stay, the magic E goes to play. So there it is. No magic E. Hoping. No magic E. Waking. No magic E. Rising. And indeed, no, we're not going to confuse the issue. Okay? When in comes to stay, magic E goes to play. See you soon.